The black box recovered from the China's passenger plane that crashed into a mountain in Guangxi on Monday is believed to be the cockpit voice recorder. Investigators continue to search for the flight data recorder, the other black box, to provide a more complete picture of what happened to cause the crash. Xinhua correspondents have entered the core zone of the crash site to bring you the latest on the search operation.
I'm Wang Jiawei with Xinhua News Agency. Today is March 24th. Now it's 11 o'clock and the terrain is gradually small than yesterday. As we can see behind me is the rescue operation, which is the airplane crash. And now they are doing the rescue operation. And on my right hand, follow the camera, is all the tent. They are now working on the rescue.
Flight MU-5735, the China Eastern Airlines Boeing 737 aircraft carrying 132 people, crashed on Monday in Tengxian County in the city of Wuzhou, South China's Guangxi Zhuang Autonomous Region. No survivors have been found so far.